the fuck is wrong with you?
I don't know.
Don't do that.
Do something else.
Do it again.
So what if I went like this?
It would freak you out? Okay, shut the hell up then. Thank you. Holy fuck. You didn't
Do it one more time.
No, I swear to God. I swear to
Don't, yeah. You'll piss him right off.
Yeah, no, you'll rape you, man. Say your like kitty thing again.
Are you half retarded?
No. Well, I don't know.
The time of my life,
And
I never felt this way before. I swear,
Whoa.
if it's true,
No!
I owe it all to you.
Here,
Hey. Do it again. For Brendan.
Hey, Brendan. Hey, Brendan. 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 Wait, yes? Guess what, Brendan? Yeah. Brendan, turn it around. Brendan. 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 Brendan! Brennan! 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 God, I hate you so much, you know that. You just have no sense of humor at all. Be careful.
Shit.
What is your problem? Holy shit.
Hey, you can stop taping now.
No.
Stop taping now.
No.
Please stop taping now.